Hello guys, I'm Tom from Lanphan. Thanks for watching us. Today I will show you our big monster, a big centrifuge. You can see that behind me is a big centrifuge with 480 liters. 480 liters. It's very big. It's used for the cannabis extraction. Especially for the cold ethanol extraction. We designed the jacket for the centrifuge. You can use it with chiller to provide a low temperature condition. And this one is very big. The diameter of the rotary drum is 1000 millimeter, and the height is 600 millimeter, and the rotary drum is 480 liters. It can do about 220 pounds biomass per batch, and you can do 2 batch per hour. Really so big, you can see. Very big, but not hard to open the cover because we have the hydraulic assisted for this centrifuge. You can see the feeder bag. It's very big feeder bag, and the rotary drum can rotary in two directions. You can see. And we also match the isolation cover for the whole system. You can see that.
对焦。好了，等一下要回去。完了
So
吗？
we have one set in stock. If you need them, we can ship immediately. So welcome to contact us for more information. Thank you.